Here's a harsh truth. Only about 5% of people ever truly succeed, financially, mentally, and personally. The other 95%, they live on autopilot, busy, tired, and wondering why life never changes. But why? What separates the 5% who rise from everyone else who stays stuck? The first reason, comfort. Most people love the idea of success, but they hate the discomfort that comes with earning it. Your brain is wired to avoid pain. It tells you to play safe, stay average, and scroll your way through life. But success lives outside your comfort zone, and 95% of people never step out. Reason two, they care too much about what others think. They'd rather fit in than stand out. They'd rather look cool than look foolish trying something new. The 5%, they get laughed at, rejected, criticized, and they keep going anyway. Reason three, no discipline. Everyone wants results, but almost no one wants the routine. The truth is, motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you moving when motivation dies. Reason four, short-term thinking. Most people quit because results don't come fast enough. They chase quick fixes, get rich fast, lose weight fast, go viral fast. But success is like growing a tree. If you stop watering it every time it doesn't sprout overnight, you'll never see it grow. Reason five, and maybe the biggest one, they don't believe in themselves. They've been told they're not smart enough, talented enough, or lucky enough. The 5% believe before they see. They act like it's possible until it is. All right, here's how you join the 5%. Step one, get uncomfortable. Do what scares you. Growth only happens in pain. Step two, stop caring about opinions. People will talk anyway, whether you win or lose. Step three, build ruthless discipline. Wake up early, learn daily, stay consistent. Step four, think long-term. Success takes years, not weeks. Be patient, not lazy. Step five, believe even when it hurts. When you believe, your brain finds ways to prove you right. Most people will keep waiting for the right time, for motivation, for luck. But the truth? The right time never comes. You create it. You can be the 5% if you stop waiting and start moving. 95% of people dream. 5% take action. Which one are you going to be? If this fired you up, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to break out of the 95%.